Hello, come with me to the laboratory of this particular company where I'm currently doing my internship. So, as an industrial chemistry student, you have to pass through internship, which is called the IT. So, I'm currently doing my IT in a company that produces glass, and this is me trying to perform a sieve analysis for a particular sample that is used to produce glass. This sample in my hand is the silica, that's the sand. Chemically, it is called silica. So, in this sieve test, you measure the grains and all that. So, there's a specification. So, once this particular sample passes that specification, then we can accept it from whatever company is supplying it to us. So, I have to record it, you sieve everything. At this point, the electric weighing machine was giving me issues, and I don't seem to understand at some point. Like, this is the first time it's giving me these issues. Maybe because I'm just using it that morning when I came around. So I had to call my boss to help me, which she did, and I had to measure each grain. So each of these sieve has different sizes. So when they pass through, so it's like each grains are passing through. So the one that can pass through, you have to weigh it. So this is silica, and silica, which is sand, is one of the raw material used in producing glass. And you in doing this particular silica, we have to this sieve test. You can do moisture content, you can do the chemical analysis and all that. So this morning, as I just came in, my boss was like, Charity, yeah, come and collect, let's go and collect sample and quickly do sieve test on this. So I have to do it. So most times the disadvantage is that if we have more powdered form of this particular sample, is a disadvantage to the company, because when they place it into the machine and when the machine start rolling, this dust flies away and we don't get the real one. So there's a particular size we want more so that it can give us what we want. So during my IT in this company, they produce silicate and glass seems to be the hardest. My boss was like, Charity, you can't do glass, do silicate so that you know how to defend it. But I'm like, no, I want to do glass. This glass is very hard. I want to do this glass. So this is the second sample used for glass. They use 7 raw materials for glass. So this is called the dolomite. It's not sand, it's dolomite. So the same sieve test in dolomite, to perform sieve test, to perform chemical analysis, to check for the the calcium oxide and the magnesium oxide. So you have to record it, you have to go and show your boss. If it meets the specification, they have to accept it from the particular supplier. So this is what we do. We literally analyze almost every hour in the lab. Sometimes I even used to imagine, what if I was working in a food and beverage company? I'll just be eating. But here am I can't eat sand. I have to do all this. And the factory is so hot. Most of these materials, when they put them together, they pass them through a furnace that burns and melts them to produce glass. So thank you so much for joining my live. No, this is not my live video. Thank you so much for watching this VTV video. This is just a short clip on how my day went today in the laboratory, and I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself that it's a period of learning and all that. And I would do another video very soon to show you how I did another analysis. It's interesting, so do well to follow my page wherever you're watching this video, maybe on my YouTube, on my Instagram, on my Facebook. Anyway, do well to follow me, and we meet again.